నేను అనర్గళంగా మాట్లాడగలనంటే దానికి కారణం ఈయన. నా భావ ప్రకటన ఒక ఛానలైజ్డ్గా పద్ధతి ప్రకారం ఉంది అంటే దానికి కారణం ఈయన. నేను పుస్తకం రాయగలిగానంటే కారణం ఈయన. నేను అక్షరం తలుచుకుంది చక్కగా అందంగా దిద్దగలిగానంటే కారణం ఈయన. మై రిక్వెస్ట్ మై గురు జేసీఏ సెనేటర్ ఆర్ సునీల్ కుమార్ సార్ టు స్పీక్.
నేను మాట్లాడడానికి కారణం అన్ననే. ఈ బ్యాడ్జ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ బ్యాడ్జ్ నా బ్లేజర్ వేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ బ్యాడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ బ్యాడ్జ్ ఇచ్చింది కూడా అన్ననే. ఈ భిక్ష నలుగురికి నేర్చుకుంది పంచుకునే భిక్ష అందించింది అన్నగారే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Respected Chief Guest Lakshminarayan Garu, a very significant leader, a very loved leader, very admired leader, Vallabhdas Garu, dear friend, someone who emulates everyone and we continue to love him all the while, Pradeep Garu. Pradeep Garu. A huge motivator, a very strong example of transformation in life, Gampa Nageshwarrao Garu. Zone President, members of Secunderabad, Walkertown, very dear friends. Napoleon said, the world suffers a lot not because of the violence of bad people, but because of the silence of good people. I have transformed this statement and related it to each one of us. Man suffers a lot not because of the violence of his bad thoughts, because of the silence of his good thoughts. We all have extremely good thoughts. Ee roju Lakshminarayan garu ento manato panchukunnaru. He was sharing so much of knowledge with all of us and provoked our thinking. But the big question in life is, are we going to listen to him and be silent about it, or are we getting provoked and prove to him that we are better than ourselves? Benjamin Franklin's statement is what I can remember when I come here and meet Pradeep. Benjamin Franklin said, if you are to be remembered after you die, all of us will die someday. If you are to be remembered after you die, write things worth reading or do things worth writing. And today, once again, Pradeep has proved that not only will I do good things that can be written, but I will also write good things that can be read and emulated. Congratulations, Pradeep. It's a matter of great honor to be here and to participate in this outstanding accomplishment. Dear friends, I will be only sharing one point before you. It's too long an evening. It is not important who you are. It is not important what you have been gifted with. It is not important which part of the world you come from. What is important is what you eventually do. Is what you do similar to what others do, or is it that you have been able to accomplish something that others have not attempted? Impact, IMPACT, has a very interesting statement. It says, I must positively achieve challenging targets. I must positively achieve challenging targets. We all achieve small targets and we feel excited in life. That is the biggest problem with many of us. What is a challenging target? A target that attacks your own potential. A target that transforms you into somebody big. A target that people will witness and talk about it. That is called a challenging target. So, my dear friends, I believe that it is action which is at the end of the day a measurement of who you are. And if your action is a unique action, is an action that others can talk about, is an action that others can write about, is an action that people like Lakshminarayan Garu can speak about, only then have we achieved value to our life. Many people thank God for having given them the gift of life. Am I right? All of us thank God for having given to all of us the gift of life. That is only half the story. What is the other half of the story? The other half of the story is God must thank you. How can God thank you? Whatever life God has given to us, add value to it, add pride to it, add progress to it, and give it back to God. So you have given to God much more than what God has given to us, so that God can tomorrow tell you, thank you. And I think that is the purpose of life. May God thank you for all that you have done as a human being, as someone who can achieve challenging targets. Congratulations, Pradeep. Congratulations, Walkertown. And congratulations, my very good friend, Gampa Nageshwar Rao. May you have a lot of energy to do such activities, many more, before you retire. And we will not allow you to retire, because JCs will continue to drag you. God bless.
అందుకే ఆయన మా గురువు అయ్యాడు. సార్ ఒక్కటే మాట చెప్తా, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరు సైలెంట్గా ఉండరు, వాయిలెంట్గా అయిపోతారు. మంచితనంలో, మానవత్వంలో, 10 మందికి సేవ చేయటంలో. ఎందుకంటే ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లైఫ్. మన సొంత లాభం కొంత మాని గురజాడ అప్పారావు గారు 10 మందికి లాభం చేయమని చెప్పారు.